Right. Right, so here we go again. 2:30 in the morning, this one. It's another early start, isn't it? Seem to be getting a lot of those of late. I'm not really complaining because I like to do early morning starts, but this is a bit too early for my liking, but the road should be clear. And it's bank holiday weekend because it's the Queen's Jubilee. Right. Had the gearbox serviced a few days ago. It's not great, to be honest. It doesn't seem to be slipping in and out of gear as well as I'd like, and also I have an engine light come on, which obviously I'm not very pleased about. There we go, it's still on. Look. So later today I'm going to go to the garage where I had the gearbox serviced, a new oil basically and filter, and let them have a look at it for me. Anyway, got some driving to do, running out to Uffington, picking up and taking down to Heathrow Terminal 3. Just been up to see Jan, my mechanic, and he's managed to turn off the engine warning light, and he's reset the transmission. So I'm hoping that's going to help somewhat. Feels a lot different actually. The gear changes feel a lot smoother than it was before. Hello, mate. Yeah, so just getting some tyres fitted now. Shouldn't be too long. Right, we have got all our tyres on board, and that came to £139 for 2 rears. These are kind of top end budgets. They're called Triangle 2255/16s. So that's all good. Yeah, that's a lot better, isn't it? There we go. New ones on the front, and new ones on the back, and the ones on the front still got plenty of grip on them. Right, so we've arrived over at one of Kovu's favourite places. This is Stanton Park, and this is Dino Devine's car, so I'm hoping that Dino is in the woods somewhere doing his woodcraft, and if that's the case, we'll pop down there and see how he is. I've not done this for a while, so it's a matter of putting it in there and tightening it up somehow. And we can get some KOV-CAM footage. Having problems at the moment trying to get hold of a Mini 3. It's almost impossible actually, because I've gone onto Argos, can't find one anywhere pretty much in the UK, and also I've gone onto the DJI website and I've ordered myself one of these, the Mini 3, and I'm hoping at some point it's going to come through as an email. Then I can purchase it and then hopefully it will come my way, but they're very rare beasts at the moment. So it's a waiting game, but I'm hoping to get one before September's holiday to Turkey. That's when I really want it. That's my next planned holiday anyway. We normally go away in June, but I don't think June's gonna happen for me. So anyway, yeah, this has been a great little machine. I thought about getting it replaced or getting it fixed. It's going to be about £300 to get that done. I think if I'm going to spend that much money, I might as well just upgrade to a Mini 3. Just suddenly realised that I left the SD card for this at home in my PC, or near it. Alright, let's see if it agrees with it. I'm not sure it's going to, but all I can do is just try, really. And I'm going to see if it starts to film. Right, okay. Well, it says it's filming, so it might be recording on the SD card. Won't know that till perhaps a bit later. A bit of a fly around. It's, as I say, it's not. The gimbal isn't great. It's stuck in one position, unfortunately, but it's good to get some practice. And go down and see if Dino's about, I think. Whoa! Hello, Dino. long time no see. How you keeping?
Yeah,
good to see you.
Yeah,
good to see you. You doing well?
Yeah, good, thanks.
What are you listening to? Oh wow.
Oh, any more corn?
There we go. Yeah. So I've been here a few times lately. Not been around.
The boys really want. That's a nice little job.
I crashed it though, didn't I?
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
How does that happen? I thought they sort of govern. Keep themselves away.
Well, they kind of do, but the problem is it hasn't got obstacle avoidance.
Oh, I see.
And when you get critical low battery,
Yeah.
it wants to go back to the home point. Bring him in a bit closer.
Oh, there, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a DJI as well.
Yeah, that is, yeah. So when it gets critical low battery,
Yeah.
you can see the gimbal stuck there. See
All
that?
right.
Yeah, that gimbal stuck. Yeah, so...
Where's that?
Because I crashed it and I've
I
had to glue it. I glued it in place.
Oh, I see.
And yeah, so what happened was it went critical low battery, then it wants to go to the home point.
Yeah, oh, I see, yeah.
It's a safety, inbuilt safety measure.
Yeah.
So I was flying it over there on the path and it shot up, hit a branch of a tree,
Yeah.
came back down and landed on the gimbal and broke it.
Oh.
So
So it's expensive to replace?
it's going to cost something like, I think about maybe £300 to replace.
Okay. And how much is it? But I've also noticed that a lot of people, what they're doing is, I just trialed that and I took it off again. They use milk paint and put it on and then sort of like rub it through, you know.
Nice, I like that.
Wrong,
That's really
wrong
good.
kind of wood.
Okay.
Anyway, if we learn and carry on.
Sure you do. That's all about. It's our experience,
Yeah.
isn't it?
The thing is, I'm running out of